Hover over Pages and click Add New. I've written up some demo content for this lecture, so feel free to use it or you can write your own. Start off by entering a title, then I'll copy and paste the content I prepared earlier, then justify the text. For now, we'll leave the settings and hit Publish. Let's go to the front page and have a look at our website. We can see that the About Us page has now been placed in the top navigation menu. Click it and view the page. Page is looking okay, but let's move the About Me page to be after the sample page. Go back to the Posts interface by clicking Edit Page on the Quick Access toolbar. Under Page Attributes, enter 2 for the order setting, click Update. Go ahead and view the page. As you can see, the About Me page is now placed after the sample page. The page is looking a bit plain, so we are going to add a featured image. Click Edit from the toolbar. One thing to remember is the visibility and display of featured images varies depending on the theme you're using. Click Set Featured Image. You can choose to use the image provided or you can upload your own. Enter a title and description, hit Set Featured Image, then update the page. View the page and there is now a featured image for the page. We're going to create another page. Hover over New on the Quick Access toolbar, then select Page. Again, you can use the lecture material provided or you can write your own content. Enter a page title, then I'm going to paste the content I've prepared earlier. This page doesn't look good at the moment, so we'll do some quick formatting. We'll make the list heading bold, then add in bulleted lists for the items. We'll also justify the content. Add a featured image. We are going to nest this page under the About Me page. So under the Page Attributes panel, we're going to select About Me as the parent page. Hit Publish and then view the page. That's looking okay. If you hover over About Me on the top navigation, there is now a drop-down menu listing all pages nested under the About Me page. One last thing we're going to do is to add a link to this page from the About Me page. Go to the About Me page and click Edit Page from the Quick Access toolbar. Go to the last sentence in the editor, highlight the phrase Equipment page, then click Insert Link. Instead of linking to an external URL, we are going to link internally to our equipment page. In the content window, select My Equipment and the URL and title will be filled in for you automatically, but you can choose to change the title if you prefer. When done, click Add Link, then update the page. Go ahead and view the page. We can now see the link is active, and clicking on it takes us to the equipment page. This sums up the creation of pages. Next, we'll learn about editing and managing pages.